This is the Apple String Art tutorial by String Art by Kaale. To make this string art, you will need the Apple String Art kit and a pair of scissors. Normally when you receive these kits, there will be a piece of paper over the top that I tell you to take a picture of. It has lines on it and you'll rip the paper off, so that picture that you take will be your reference. Once you do rip that piece of paper off, go ahead and grab your organza bag and start taking the yarn bundles out. We will be starting with the apple part itself, so go ahead and keep that red bundle. Find that yarn piece that is wrapped around the middle of the bundle and go ahead and unravel. The bundles are folded in half, so go ahead and unfold it and then set it aside. Taking that yarn end that we used to unravel, we're going to go ahead and do a loop up in the air. This is how I do my knot. I'll just take that loop, tuck it onto a nail, and pull it tight. Throughout this whole process, we will make sure that we're always pushing that yarn down to the base of the nails. And then I like to begin each section by outlining so we can see exactly where we're going to be filling in. As you are outlining, making sure that you're pushing the yarn down to the base of the nails like I mentioned before. After outlining the apple, go ahead and jump inside to outline the heart to show yourself not to fill inside the heart. Now that we have our outline set, it's time to start filling in. There is not a right or wrong way to do this. You can go in a pattern like I'm doing now, or you can start jumping in all different directions. The point is just to fill in this area. How full you fill it in is totally up to you. A lot of string art, you do still see the board behind it. I personally like to fill it in completely to where I don't see any more board. Just keep in mind as you are filling in, you do want to save some of the yarn on the bundle to outline the apple again and the heart. As you're filling in, just move in all different directions to help fill it in quicker and use less yarn. When you're satisfied with how full the apple looks, you'll go ahead and jump in and start outlining the heart. I like to do a double outline here where I go along the whole outer part of the nails and the inner part. And then I just do one simple outline along the whole outer part of the apple. To end, I cut the yarn a little bit longer so it makes it easier to tie. I do that loop that we did in the beginning, tuck it on a nail, and pull it tight. And then I trim that end to about 1/2 inch and then use my scissors to poke that end in between the layers, and this will help hold that knot. Next, we'll move on to the leaf. Go ahead and grab that green bundle, find the yarn strand that's around the center, and unravel. Unfold that bundle and put it to the side. Here's another look at how we start that knot. Loop up in the air, tuck it onto any one of the nails on the leaf, pull it tight. Give the leaf an outline, and then you'll start filling in just like before. Once you're done filling in, go ahead and finish with the outline. And here's a second look at how to tie that knot. Last step is the stem. For this one, when you tie that knot, go ahead and tuck that little strand in close to that nail so it'll help disappear. And then I just zigzag in between these 3 nails back and forth to help fill it in. And then go along the left side of the nails and then back down the right side. And you're finished. And I'll go ahead and tie off. And just very carefully, you'll tuck this little end in between the 2 strands, just like that. And now we have a finished apple string art. Super simple and so cute. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.